Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhay and today we're exploring the Magnifier app in iOS 26. A tool that may feel simple at first glance, but it's packed with useful upgrades and features you'll want to try. I'll be showing everything on my iPhone so you can follow along exactly. So let's dive in. When you open Magnifier, you instantly get a live camera view that you can zoom in and out with. Use this to magnify small texts, labels, menus, or anything around that's tricky to read. Tap the zoom slider and drag it to increase magnification. Up next, brightness, contrast, and filters. Tap the icon for filters or contrast controls and you can apply color filters such as inverted colors, high contrast, etc. to make the text or object easier to see. If lighting is poor, increase brightness or tap the flashlight icon. Magnifier will use the torch to illuminate the area. Another helpful feature, freeze frame. While your magnified view is live, you can tap to freeze the image so you can view it without holding the device steadily. Then maybe crop or zoom further on the frozen frame. That's ideal if you're reading a label or document that's out of reach. Up next, text or scene detection. Magnifier can now support object detection and text recognition in the camera view. So, when you point at a printed text, you can have it read aloud or show as pattern you can zoom and inspect. A pro tip, if you often find yourself squinting at receipts, price tags or serial numbers, keep the magnifier in your control center so you can easily access it whenever you want. On the iPhone, this is handy because you can actually open it very quickly. So, if you're using iOS 26, Magnifier becomes a robust accessibility and utility tool. Whether you have occasional need or a frequent one, it's built in and doesn't require any third-party apps. So, that's the Magnifier app for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.